Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Rustam, and today I'm going to talk about data analysis. Okay. This video lecture is being specifically recorded for BS English 6 students. Okay, studying at Government Degree College, Haveli. So the course name is Psycholinguistics. However, this video lecture can be utilized by anyone who wants to know few things about research, PS research. Okay, now dear students, we have been assigned project number 1, and I think, let me scroll down, let me see the names. Okay, so let me take you to another sheet. Okay, this is copy. So I think this one, mentalism and behaviorism. Okay, so here, so these are the students: Muhammad Ali, Asina, Salim, Muhammad Noman, Hassan Rashid, and Asnat Khalid. So now one of you, I think Hassan, requested me to record a lecture for chapter 4. So what to be done in chapter 4? So in chapter 4, you have to proceed according to these chapter objectives. Okay, like your topic was influence of language learning theories on classroom teaching practices, a comparative study of mentalism and behaviorism. So you are investigating that under which theory, one of these two theories, under which theory a language teacher teach English in the language classrooms. So you definitely, you must have developed a questionnaire, and it must have been distributed, data collected. So your objectives were: number 1, you wanted to find out which language learning theory shapes classroom ELT practices. So on your questionnaire, there would have been a few items, okay, which indicate that under which theory teacher teach. If it is behaviorism, if a teacher is influenced by behaviorism, he or she must be teaching, he or she must be utilizing repetition in the class, learning by doing approach. Okay, like making students do practice again and again, reading techniques. Okay, and reinforcement strategies being applied. Okay, and students being encouraged, and errors and mistakes being corrected as and when they occur in the classroom teaching. But if someone is under the influence of mentalism, okay, he or she may not be utilizing all these approaches, all these strategies and techniques. So because they believe that language learning is ingrained, and each one of us has been gifted with a language faculty, language acquisition device. We are pre-programmed for language learning. So deep structures are available, universal grammar is available, and principles and rules exist in our minds. So this is one of the objectives. So in chapter 4, you have to give result of this, okay, objective. Second, to investigate if reinforcement enhances second language learning. So the data you gathered through questionnaire regarding this construct or variable has to be entered and has to be tabulated, interpreted, and analyzed and discussed. So in chapter 4, I'll later on talk about, you have to tabulate the results, okay, to investigate teachers' attitude towards error correction. So this is behavioristic feature, but how do you teachers view? So you must have got back your questionnaire, data is with you. So you have to find out how many teachers are let me see the questionnaire first. Did you have something about error correction? Okay, error correction. Okay, I correct students' written and spoken errors. Okay, So, how many teachers strongly agreed or strongly disagreed? And you were told to merge this data. Strongly agree and agree. For BS research, you could have taken it as agree, and this disagree and strongly disagree should be taken as disagreed. So here, if this shows attitude towards spoken errors. So you have to give a table in chapter 4 about this objective. So your chapter 4 is basically you have to mention the results gathered from this questionnaire. Okay, this is your questionnaire. Okay, and let me again take you to your objectives. This one. Okay, now to ascertain which of the two, okay, fluency or accuracy, teachers prefer. Okay, so like fluency is emphasized by mentalists, and accuracy is usually emphasized by behaviorists. So now, what is the result of your survey? What do the teachers say about this? So you must have asked the teachers, male and female, like which one of these two they prefer. So now the data is with you. So you have to draw a table, okay? And in the next video, I'll guide you how to write chapter 4. But here in this video, I'm just trying to make it clear that what you have to do in chapter 4 to find out which personality type, introvert or extrovert, learns language faster. So definitely there must have been an item on your questionnaire about this. Now, what do the teachers say? One of the theory, language learning theory, says that introverts, people who go socializing, who go partying, who go out, and they learn language, particularly foreign language, quicker than those who are introvert, who don't mix up, who don't stay, who just stay at home. So this is one of the theories. So there must have been a question, an item, okay, to determine the role of motivation in the second language learning. So these were few of the objectives. As you can say, you are going to test your hypothesis. This is a very technical term, an hypothesis. So you will learn the detailed procedure, research procedure in semester 7 and 8. But right now in semester 6, I just want you to introduce towards basic research. Basic research means that the basic terminology, and that's why you have been given a mini research project, so that you may be introduced to research item. And your first semester is lucky enough that they have been given a project on pronunciation errors committed by Pakistani English speakers and learners. So they are starting research in 4th semester, and they still have 4 semesters to go. It means in 5th they are going to be given a mini project to warm them up, and in 5th and then 6th and then 7th. So by the time they get to 8th semester, they have already learned a lot of research, and now even you are not at disadvantage. You are in 6th semester and be introduced to research. So these are the few things related to hypotheses. Although it is very simple, and that's why I call it BS research. So language teachers prefer behaviorism over mentalism in their classroom teaching. This is one of your hypotheses, a hunch, an intuition. Now if your data reflects this, so you can report it in chapter 4. Okay? If your data supports this, like language teachers prefer behaviorism, so you have to draw a table and you have to enter your responses, strongly agree in this, and then you have to discuss. You can provide a response or data analysis to all these hypotheses, and definitely it will be your chapter number 4. Research questions are same. Actually, an hypothesis can be stated in the form of a research question. Okay, it is one of the form of hypothesis. Hypothesis can be a direct hypothesis, non-directional, directional hypothesis, null hypothesis, and a research question type hypothesis. Okay, they are same, you can say at BS level they are same things. Now taking you to chapter 4, okay, let me take you to chapter 4. Here you have to see, let me take you to chapter 4. Okay, so whenever like this is a blank sheet, template, results and discussion. Here you have to introduce your chapter 4. You can write in this chapter data is going to be data has been presented, because it's a report. Okay, you are writing a thesis, you are writing a research report, so you can say that this chapter gives the results of a questionnaire, analysis of the questionnaire, and both the theories, behaviorism and mentalism, they would be explained through data analysis. Okay, so after this you are going to give results. So results means you can give a heading. Here let me show you an actual thesis so that you can have an idea. So here is an actual report, okay, data analysis done by an MHF student. So as you can see, introduction. So introduction again is being provided. This introduction is too much lengthy, but you are required to give a brief introduction to this chapter. Introduction means introduction to this chapter. Okay. Now let's see how the data has been presented. Okay. As you can see here, consolidated data of. Okay. Let me take you for it. Let me take you. In the next video, I'll explain. I just want to warn you towards data analysis in chapter 4. Okay, here is again it is a consolidated data of teachers' responses on questionnaire. Let me take you to individual item. Okay, here was an item, comparison of responses of male and female TEFL teachers on questionnaires. So the researcher here has given an introduction, so it is not required. So after giving the heading like this, you can write here, you don't need to write here introduction, you can write here just brief 1 or 2 lines about the table given below. Okay, is there any table? No table. Okay, here as you can see, so yes, here is the table. So you have to give like responses of participant for item number 1 on questionnaire. Here there should be a brief, you can see the table number 5 below shows participants' responses to item number 1 on the questionnaire, which was regarding whether their TEFL methodology has changed their classroom teaching. Here you will write your own, analysis of your own questionnaire. After this, you have to give like this. Let's say there were male responses and female responses. Okay, so out of I think agree 20%, disagree nil, undecided nil. So there were total 20 responses. So table 5. This is known as interpretation of data. So you have to here tell that what is this table about. You will say like table 5 depicts the responses of target audience for item number 1 on questionnaire. It posed a question to audience if TEFL methodology, this one, had changed their classroom teaching practices. The answers of the teachers in above table reflect that 100% male teachers agreed that after taking TEFL instruction, their classroom teaching practices have undergone considerable changes like this. So now you have to introduce the table first, and then you have to discuss the data, and at the end you can see it indicates that TEFL methodology is successfully changing the ELT classroom teaching practices. Okay, so each item, as you can see, our item related to objectives should be given here. As you can see, heading, then some table or bar graph like this. Okay, and then see agree, disagree, undecided. Okay, male, female, bar is shown, and then some discussion. So in the next video I will simplify it and then I